welcome. This is the most amazing. Hello, welcome to the channel. This is the most amazing roundabout, this one. Because you can actually park in it. But then Granton Square. Granton's, fuck's sake. That's where we are. We're in Granton Square. So, I mean, this is amazing. I mean, how many roundabouts do you get to? What the hell's that? I had to stop here. I just had to. Got public toilets no longer in use. And there's what is that building? Army Reserve. Army Reserve, Granton Square. Got a camera up there. Got a feed gobble. It's windy. This is Lower Granton Road. I think we'll try and make this a quick one actually, because this wasn't planned. I just couldn't resist it. I've seen the Army Reserve. A lot of people went there and then didn't come back. It's a bit dilapidated. It's got a quite impressive entrance. See that? I mean, look at the size of the windows. Waste of time. I mean, it's like, you know, what impressive building from a bygone era. Really, isn't it? Yeah. It is. Impressive building from a bygone era. Right. What's this up here? Kind of looks a bit like a Potholes. Edinburgh Potholes. What's on the road tax money? Oh, it's not for that. It's not part of that, the road tax. Everybody knows that. It's from a different fund. Do you know what I say to that? It's just bullshit when they start that. Oh, that's from a different fund. It doesn't pay for the roads. You know, it's like, it should. It's called fucking, everybody calls it a road tax. Look at that. Fucking terrible. You can fucking, Jesus. That's massive. Advertise here. Oh! My car has to be fit for the road. But the road isn't fit for my car. Advertise here. There's no empties advertising. Just the advertising. The advertisers are advertising here. Right. Oh, there's a road goes up there. Pigeons. Pigeons. I try not to go around full 360 degree when I do these videos, but the pigeons were enticing me to do it. Right, that's it. We're going. Quick look around Granton Square. A quick look, and nothing much happened. Not a lot. Guy at the bus stop, waiting for a bus probably. Yeah. Right. Oh look! Look! It's a Volkswagen Transporter. Where's it gone? Oh yes, got a canoe in the roof. Oh yes, that's made it worthwhile. Right. We're going. We're going. Thanks for watching. Bye! Are you shut up too?